happy day. So the song we're going to sing next has history that goes back to the World Wars. It's words that were written on the wall of a cell where one of the people who are in the Nazi concentration camps died. So the words are, I believe in the sun, even when it's not shining. I believe in God, even when it seems he's silent. And I believe in love, even when I cannot feel it. We hope you'll be blessed by the words of the song.
I believe in the sun. I believe in the sun. Even when it is not shining, I believe in the sun.
I believe in love. I believe in love. Even when I cannot feel it, I believe in love. I believe in love. I believe